artificial intelligence is having a very real impact on the world of design. And of course, the debate rages on as to whether this technology will be a friend or a foe to designers. One of the greatest concerns is the potential that AI has to diminish the role that human creativity plays in the creation of places and spaces and products. So how can AI complement rather than replace human creativity and craftsmanship? That's what we're here today to discuss in this mixed roundtable, the specialist group.
AI has really enhanced our processes when it comes to creativity and efficiency. We have the deep research and context building side of things. So when we try to understand why we're working in a certain place or how to put things together, it's really giving us that context, try to understand that from start to finish to really enhance the overall design outcomes.
I think the use of AI sometimes can help to create images that might not exist already, for example, in the world. I don't like the idea of design by Pinterest as an example. So thinking about something that's genuinely creative and new and trying to use the aid of AI to create something that might produce something new that you can use then to communicate an idea with a client. Not your finished product, but something that would help sort of the creative process move along.
I think what is going to be really important is how designers and consultants alike go above and beyond, how they kind of differentiate themselves. And that's, for me, is going to be really around personal profile. And, actually it's not pure the data AI piece, it's the actual presentation style and how that information is then put across to clients and similar. But in addition to that, I also think there's an element in there of making sure that the staff and the individuals that are actually working with the AI software are trained in the right way so that the data they're getting is not regurgitated and just used. It's used in a way that is effective and punchy, because nothing's interesting about just pure regurgitation. It's the delivery that's really critical.
I think at the moment, where it's bringing is more in the efficiencies, with data helping us create dashboards, etc. Where I can see us helping in the future is more with 3D coordination.
I think in order to not be replaceable as a designer, it's a combination of sort of the full design process from the beginning to the end. I mean, we all learn how to design as a process. It's not something that you just jump in and design an output. It's about listening to begin with and creating a brief.
It's really important to develop a deep sense of expertise and subject matter expertise for particular, let's say, subjects such as, materiality or sustainability or the way that composition, you need to get really, really focused down on those things to be able to, challenge what the AI produces.
I think AI will be a partner. I think it will get rid of the small or repetitive tasks.
I think that in 10 years, AI will be a partner. Like any other technology that we've embedded into our industry and into our process, AI will be that. We can't fight against technologies, we need to work with them, and we need to find the way that that works for everybody.
If companies don't embrace it and look to ultimately drive forward with it, then they will be left behind. So what's going to differentiate the great businesses from the lesser businesses is how they utilize it and put it out there.
In 10 years from now, I think AI will be a partner, a competitor, and sort of an assistant in the future. It's everything above. It's purely because there are some elements of our business and activities that are no longer make sense for us to embed in the business. We'll see an emergence of new AI co-pilots that will help us enhance the design quality. That will be from a creative assistant point of view. And then the partner is sort of to give you the sense check in the future about, So it'll be all those things combined. I don't think there'll be one or the other when it comes to that.